Just really quick, if you could tell me, how was your experience tonight at our workshop?
I liked it. Basically, I mean, I took good notes, right? I really appreciate the fact that Manuel and his company, they definitely, you could tell from this alone that they don't care about just selling anybody, to go with them right away. You know what I'm saying? Like, a lot of companies are like thinking with possibly, just everybody's a client, right? But that's not true, you know what I'm saying? So they're just being honest with how they organize things, right? I like that especially. I could see the honesty with the group, which is nice. The fact that they're saying first get sales, get to the point where then you need our help. You know what I'm saying? Like, do a lot yourself first. You don't need our help yet, right? Get to that point, then call us if you need help. So I appreciate that. I think that's cool. I always appreciate honesty. So yeah.
Well, great. I really appreciate your feedback, and I was just curious, will we see you at the next event?
If I'm available, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, my friend brought me. We carpooled, so.
Oh, absolutely.
As long as I'm able to, schedule-wise, yes, for sure.
Well, that's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I appreciate it.